up, guys? Finally got my Buick here from my parents' house, so I'm able to start working on that and be pulling out the small block and putting in the supercharged 4.8 LS. So I just have like a quick video, so I'm gonna go over the Buick the way it is right now, then plans and stuff for the future. So I'll give you a tour here. Hang on one second. Business end here. 83 Regal, originally a 3.8 car. It had a 305 in it. This is actually only 2,000 mile 355. My dad and I built a while ago. Then you can see from sitting in a tarp tent that the oxidation on the aluminum is pretty brutal, and actually from the extreme heat and cold and stuff, it actually started flaking some of the paint on that. So I'm gonna take that out when I put the LS in there, so I can redo that and make it all look nice again. And it's got forged I-beam rods, scat, sledgehammer crank, forged pistons. I was originally going to be a nitrous motor, but never got around to doing that. So, but yeah, that's going to be coming out, and the supercharged LS is going to be going in. This actually came off of this hood is off of an 84 T-type. It was the parts car. It was way too far gone. There's literally no floors in it. And the engine and transmission was gone. It was open diff 8.5. So I just took some stuff and I sold the rest of it a long time ago. But then this is the interior, which spent some time cleaning it up. I gotta bolt the passenger seat down and stuff, but I have the seats for that there, and also the rear quarter trim panels to put in. Then I need to get a headliner, but yeah, I mean, it's pretty nice for what it is. Definitely not a show car, but it's can be a fast car. So it originally was a quarter vinyl top, and you can see from the rust. And when I pulled the top off, so if I just kind of put it in primer so it wouldn't flash rust on me, but got the quarter windows out of the T-type too. Filled the holes from the popper bits for the top too on there. This is pretty much all stock. Of course, needs to get fillers. But yeah, nothing too crazy. There's our little decal logo. Yeah, this was an experiment with Plastidip, but I don't know what I'm gonna do. I know I'm gonna paint it like a gray color when it's said and done, if it ever is. But yeah, it's got the odometer says 84, but I'd imagine it's probably 184. But floor is pretty solid. It's got the poor man's patch job license plate on couple of spots, but it is what it is. Just a fun cruiser to beat up on some cars, but now that I finally have a garage to keep it in and work on it whenever I want, that's going to be nice. So, and these are actually, got these as a perfect matches for the 15x7s. These are monsters. They're like 15x10s or 15x12s. I did put one of them on. They actually fit like barely enough to get my hand in between that and the tire. They look tough, so I thought that was cool. Then here's the LS parts, valve covers, valley plate, flex plate, and all that stuff. But This is a 6-liter that my dad and I pulled out of the salvage yard a few months ago. Got that, it was like $240 out the door, so it wasn't too bad. And I'm gonna be doing that up with a turbo later, but this is the 4.8 that came out of my dad's old Silverado. He babied this engine and took really good care of it. The walls and everything look mint. So I'm not even gonna tear it down past this. I mean, minus putting the cam in, but yeah, I mean, it ran like a top when it was in the truck. It just the truck had frame rot issues. So this is the engine I'm gonna be putting the Vortec V2 that I have over here for it. Putting this guy on with the bracket, then the Trailblazer SS intake with 102 millimeter throttle body. But yeah, it's kind of it for now. There's nothing too exciting right now, but hopefully to this weekend, be able to get to pull this and the Turbo 350 out, then clean the whole engine bay up, make it look nice again. I had this all done once. I mean, it looked like it was brand new off the showroom floor, super glossy and super clean and everything, but letting it sit because time and money and stuff happens. So just now getting there actually around to do it and enjoy it. So, but yeah, that's really about it. Stay tuned. I'll have more videos of pulling the engine out, then fitting the 4.8 in here, make sure it clears. Gonna be using a Holly pan. Have adjustable engine mounts. Be using the stock frame mount side of the engine mounts there and stuff, but then using the other ones for the LS on there. But yeah, make sure to subscribe, like, share. Be more G-body and GM related stuff coming soon, so when time allows, but I thought I would give you guys a update that I finally got it here. So thanks.